Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another cleaning video. Today's video I have lots of cleaning motivation for you. I am also going to be revealing my ensuite and I cannot wait to share with you how it turned out. There is a few little things left to do in it, but it's 99.9% done, and I'll also be sharing with you how I've organized the vanity and how I've organized all inside the cupboards. And I hope this video gives you all the motivation that you need today. And if you are new around here, hello, my name is Michelle. I am a mum to 3 gorgeous children. I live in sunny Queensland, Australia with my husband Chris and our 3 beautiful kids. And here on my channel there is lots of cleaning and organizing, and there are room makeovers as well. So if these are the type of videos that you like watching, then definitely keep on watching. So today I am starting off in my ensuite, and here is a little sneaky peek to start with. And I just have this little mat up on my vanity top so the iron doesn't burn the top, and that actually came with my Babyliss curler, and I just love popping that on there because I would hate for any damage to happen onto my beautiful vanity. And I'm just popping everything away, and I will show you a little bit later on how I organized it. And I am also using the Method apple scented marble spray for the countertops because they are marble and you've got to be very careful of what you use on top of your marbles. And then I will be also popping the Method bathroom spray in the sink and wiping all that over. And for all the glass and mirrors today, I am using the Koala Eco Glass Cleaner. I love this stuff and it smells like eucalyptus and mint, so it's really fresh and it makes the glass all nice and shiny. My mum bought me these gorgeous towels for our bathroom for my birthday last August, and I have had them waiting. I washed them and made them all beautiful and fresh, but I have been waiting for my ensuite to be finished to pop them in this room, and they are absolutely stunning. They are from Pillow Talk, and here I am just moving everything out of my ensuite, and I am going to be 100% real with you. I love my mosaic tiles, but they are an absolute pain to clean, and I've found the best way to clean them is with the co-cleaner and their grout brush. It is a game changer, but they are pretty high maintenance. So if you are looking at them to get, then really do a look into it before you get them. But then again, I would be sad if I hadn't got them, so kind of contradicting myself, but I'm just giving everything a really good wipe over and a really good clean. And I am super proud of Chris because he built this whole ensuite. My brother-in-law painted it, and it has been a long slog, but it's definitely been worth it, and I'm so happy with the way it turned out. And if you're wondering why the shower handheld is down low, I popped it down low because we have the gooseneck rain head, and I just found that this is a lot easier and it gives it a lot more length to clean out the shower as well.
great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself, and I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in this.
So this weekend we are hanging up our barn sliding door into our walk-in robe, and it's a beautiful vintage door that I got off Marketplace, and Kris and I painted it on the weekend. And then he also has to hang up my toilet roll holder, and there's just a little bit of grout there on the side of the shower that Kris still needs to do, but then it is completely finished, and I will be having a organizing and decluttering of my wardrobe video coming soon. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to do so, and make sure you click that bell so you don't miss out. But I'm also just mopping the floors today with some Pino Clean and boiling hot water from the kettle. I find that is the best way that I get most of the gunk off the floor, and I just use my mop slipper just to remove any extra bits. But there was a few little marks still left over from our like the silicone and just little drops of stuff, and I found the best thing to remove them is with a magic eraser. So I had run out of magic erasers, but when I get some more today, then I'll be going over the floor a little bit more with them. And this little laundry hamper I picked up at Aldi in one of their special buys last year, and I'm just popping Kris's and my pajamas on there for when we have our shower this evening. And it is a little laundry hamper below, and then it has our spare towels on top of that, so they are accessible. And then I bought this memory foam bath mat from the Reject Shop, and I watched Brittany, I can never say her surname, I will link her below, channel, and she said that it was a game changer in her bathroom having a memory foam mat, so I'm using that. And then I just had these two different mats from Adairs, and the longer one is a little bit greener, so I decided I was going to go back to using the smaller one. Let me know what one you think, if the bigger one looked better. But here is my ensuite looking all beautiful and clean now, and I absolutely love it. And if you would like me to go into detail more where everything is from, then let me know. But here I just store all of my cotton buds and my cotton balls here on the vanity, and the tray is from Target, and it just has everything I use every day. And then all of these little containers are into sections, which I have like my tanning, and that little acrylic container's got all like my body stuff, face and nails, and then my cleaning caddy there, and that tub is from the Reject Shop too. And my labels are all from Little Label Co. I have mentioned that before. I love Little Label Co labels. And then this is just my makeup all sorted into lipsticks, powders and foundation. I'm a very minimal person, so I don't have a lot of makeup, and I did get rid of a lot before we did our ensuite. And here in the bag is all of my hair tools with a lot of cat fur. You will find, if you are new to my channel, I have a lot of cat fur on things. It's hard to get off. And that's Kris's shaving stuff, and he has a cape that he puts up on around his neck to the mirror as well, which is awesome. And I got that tip from Emily Norris. And now I'm into the bedroom, and I am just going to tidy up my bedroom, change my sheets, tackle my beautiful cats Duke and Lola, and clean up in here, and then I'll head into Will's room, then Liv's room.
Dripping, 'cause we're spending the night, and it feels alright, but it's over now. Time keeps slipping with your skin next to mine, and your lips I can fight, but it's over now. You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turn out the lights for no reason. Was it a make believe?
So it is now winter here in Australia, and I live in Queensland, so it doesn't get really cold, but where I live in Queensland, we do have cold winters. So we do have fireplaces. By cold winters, I mean cold evenings and cold mornings. So I have the flannelette sheets on the bed, and I have just a plain colour flannelette sheets, and then you'll see I pop on some pattern sheets, and I just love pattern flannelette sheets. I don't know, it just reminds me of my childhood, so I'm just going to pop a fresh set of them on and make sure our bed is nice and cozy because it is going to be freezing this night. So, and then I just use my Adairs linen spray. I've got them in all different fragrances and have them all in everyone's rooms and in the living room. I just absolutely love them, so I will link them below as well. And as you saw before, I had to take Lola and Duke off the bed. It is a battle with them. They love sleeping on my bed, and I do feel a little guilty of moving them off because they were nice and snugly warm, but I do love a made bed, so they kind of lose in that one. But I'm just going to give it all a nice spritz with that, and then I will use my little lint remover. I got it online, and Amy Darley had shared it in her videos, but I did see them in the reject shop the other day as well. So if you're in Australia, then definitely check out the reject shop. And I would love to know also, if you are new here or you've been for a while, whereabouts are you watching from? I would love to get to know you all more, and comment below what is your favorite cleaning product or cleaning tool that you love to use. I would love to know.
We go back, we go back, we go back, we collide. Hey, losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love you more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we collide.
In the light, just as I remember. Also fine, always my defender. Do you think there is a chance to make up your mind? Wishing for the best, wishing for the best. When I look at you, I'm melt, you're one of a kind. Just let me have you all around. Don't say you don't wanna. It's a perfect night tonight, above the starry sky. Don't say you don't wanna. If you're down for a surprise, it's a never-ending ride. So would you make me your selection? I'll give you good love and protection. I know this could be the
And now I'm into Will's room, and I'm just making his bed and going to pop his clothes away and give it a little dust and a vacuum. Will does make his own bed, but for the purpose of this video, I allowed him not to make his bed today. I will be honest though, some days he doesn't make it and I will go in and make it for you. He's 11, so yes, he's bit temperamental with making the bed, but I don't mind making it because, as I said earlier, I do like a made bed and it does look nice. And William had a room makeover at the beginning of the year. I didn't film it, but KRIS built all these little shelves and desks, and I love how it turned out. And I moved his bed around last week. I do eventually want to get rid of all the blinds in our house. I'm not a fan of them. They're super dusty, so I do need to get him some curtains for in this room. But I'm just going to give everything a nice tidy up and make it all nice and clean for him for when he gets home today.
words until we will believe him in the blink of an eye. Don't say you don't wanna. It's a perfect night tonight, above the starry sky. Don't say you don't wanna. If you're down for a surprise, it's a never-ending ride. Don't say you don't wanna. It's a perfect night tonight, above the starry sky. tired of the drama. You use your words like they are knives.
So we have just done a room makeover for Olivia's room. Olivia turned 14 this year and she wanted a really light and bright bedroom, and so that is what we gave her. She still has to get her TV to hang up on the wall. We want to get her a nice white TV for her wall, so that will be coming when it finally arrives. And she has been doing a great job of keeping it clean. And I tell you what though, this was only a week ago that we did this, and the dust bunnies under this bed were crazy. But she washed her sheets this morning and I'm going to pop them back on. I do need to get her a second set of flannelette sheets. I like to have 2 sets of cotton and 2 sets of flannelette sheets. That way if I take them off, then if I don't get round to washing them that day, they do have another set of sheets to pop on the bed. But if you want to see Olivia's full room tour and where everything is from, then I will link the video below and you will find out where it's all from.
Yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this video gave you all the motivation that you need today, and I would love for you to join my YouTube family, so I would love it if you would click that subscribe button before you leave today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.